How can you use Jira software for testing? Using Jira software for testing involves managing test cases, tracking defects, and linking these with stories or tasks. While, however, Jira is not specifically designed for testing, but you can do some things for testing. Like you can set up your project for testing, you can use Scrum or Kanban project management template to organize test cases and stuff. You can create a custom issues like project setting, go to issues type. You can type bug, defect, or test execution, and there are a lot of stuff you can do. You can add cases. You can create, organize, and execute cases like user board or backlog, or run test cases. You can log bugs and link to the test cases. You can go to the dashboard and report those cases. You can filter those cases. You can use Jira query language, which is JQL, to create a custom language such as like test case and status passed and stuff, which is, however, you can use up to you. You can automate testing with CI/CD integration. You can use add-ons, standardized field, collaboration, and regular reviews. So this way, how you can use your software for testing.